Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bucket Flow. And today we are going to see about IAM roles and few more things in IAM. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe Bucket Flow. And this is a part 8. Okay. And previously we have covered IAM, multi-factor authentication, how to create IAM, add MFA, then console, what is identity access management, and few more videos if you are interested, and few more topics on our channel. So this is my portfolio. You can check it out. And this is my LinkedIn and this is my GitHub. You can follow me anywhere and you can reach out. This is IAM role and few more things. Okay. So before that, we will see how you can able to access AWS services, like access AWS. Okay. So one of the way is uh, like console. First way, console in the sense via website. Okay, you log in and then you are able to use this AWS services. Okay, EC2, S3 and all. The second way is CLI. Via CLI also we are able to access the AWS services. So if you click here Cloud Shell, something it look like this. Yes, via your local terminal also you can connect to a AWS account this and then you can consume these AWS services. No worry, these are all secured way. It's protected by your access secret key, access key and all. And the third one is we have SDK. Okay, and if you go on search here AWS SDK, then you will get like sometimes like most of the time language specific things. Okay, install npm, use AWS SDK for javascript. We have many it's for the different language we have a different SDK. Okay, for Python, PHP, Java, Go, you can code and you can consume, you can use this services by a programmatic way. So that's one way. So these are the three way you can able to access AWS services. Okay, in IAM. Okay, we see the roles today and we'll see the demo as well. Not complete demo, yeah, but 90%, and we'll see. Okay, so as of now we have covered the user group. There you can create a group. Okay, let me show you the our diagram as well. Yeah, it's look like this. Okay, we have a developer, operation, admin. So this is called user group, and now inside now you can create a user and that belong to a group or away from the group also. Like we have HR doesn't belong to any group. So we saw user group, users, and we will check the roles today. Okay, what this roles means. Okay, so roles is nothing but if AWS services want to access some other services, so you want to give you permission to that services. Okay, you have some permission and now you can go and access. Okay, if I take the example here. Okay, let me check here. We will have EC2. Yeah, we have EC2 instance. Okay, we have a EC2 instance and we have IAM. Okay, IAM, we have IAM. Okay, so we need to give you permissions to our EC2. Okay, what you can do, you can go and read the what read who is the user and what is the last login. So you need to give some permission to them. Okay, so for that we will create some roles. Okay, so which services will able have a permission to access the other services. Okay, uh, that's what the role is as a name suggests. So what we do, we'll create one role and this is the AWS services. Okay, so we have total 5 types of AWS services: AWS account, web identity, SML 2.0 federation, custom trust policy. You can create your own custom. Okay, so as of now we'll go to the AWS services. Okay, and we have use cases. So these are the basics: EC2 and Lambda. We have other services also. Okay, like almost all services we have. So but we will go with the EC2 only. And with the use cases, easy to allow institutions to call AWS services on your behalf. Okay, okay, internally they will communicate. Okay, so basically the thing is internally they want to communicate, that's all. Okay, click on next. Now what you want to give, as we in example we see IAM. Okay, IAM, and we'll give IAM read only access, so that the EC2 instance able to read the who is the user and what is the last access, which are all the services permissions. So only read operation, not the full access. Okay, if you see here we have a full access. Okay, if we go to the policy, okay, so you can see here in account, describe organization, list of the children's, list patterns, list root, which from which root account this IAM user is belongs. So this is a full access, but we are not going to use that one. We will use the read access. Okay, IAM user change password. So just select that and create a next. Okay, now here you can give EC2. We'll give EC2 to IAM. Okay, and this is our, you can see here effect allow, and EC2 is going to use this policy. You can create IAM read only access. This is the add permission. You can edit, create role. Once you will create the role, you can see here we have our role. Okay, so that's how you can create the role. We'll see later while in EC2 part how you can use this role to talk with IAM to get the fetch the data from IAM. Okay, this is what this roles is finished. If anyone in the comment section, please add the timestamp. So this is the demo of IAM roles. Okay, and if I show you the example, like yeah, uh, we have given the diagram also. Now we'll see IAM security. By the way, let me copy this one. IAM security, security security tools. Okay, what these IAM security tools do and what is the use of this. So as of now in security, IAM security, we have two things. One is IAM credentials, credentials, credentials report, and the second one is IAM IAM last access. Okay, so previously it was access advisor. Okay, access advisor, 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 access advisor, and this IAM credential is a root level, account level. You will get the report at the account level, and this advisor is a user level, user level. Okay, we'll see both the things. What is this IAM credential report and last access? So basically credentials report, in the sense you will get the list of all the users that belong to this group and few more details. We'll see what are the details. Okay, and the last access, in the sense the particular user, what are all the services, what are all the AWS services they are using and which is not using. So it will help for you, it will helpful for you to analyze the IAM things. Okay, so we saw IAM credentials reports. Okay, so as of now I mentioned that the account level, so we have a credential report here in access report only. Okay, access report, under that access report we have credential reports. Click on the credentials report, click on download, you will get the CSV. Okay, just open it. In that you will have some few things. Okay, as of now only root account is there. Okay, and you can, we have a lot of things here. Okay, access key, and we have password, MFA is there or not. As of now in my root account MFA is active, so that means it's true. So we'll see the example. uh, we'll create one user. Okay, we'll create a user, kind of demo. IAM security. This is a demo for the IAM security. Later I will delete this section. Okay, no worries. So remove this one. It's a basic one. uh, yes, give full access, then next, administrator to create user. So as of now, we have created this IAM role, IAM user. Download this CSV. Now go back to our IAM and now go on credential reports. Okay, if you click on download, hope, because just now I have created, I'm not sure whether we will get this here or not. Okay, it's not there. Okay, might be it will take some time to refresh it. Okay, don't save. Okay, uh, this till now what we'll see the last access thing. Okay, we'll go to users. Now click on your user. Now you can see here last access. Okay, click on that. Now here you will get the details. What are the all services is you have given the access to use it. Okay, I guess just now I have created, might be take time. Oh yes, now it's there. Okay, see here, AWS app container, Alexa for business, these are all the things we have given access because we have given administrator access. So I guess all the access is there. So see here, not access in the tracking period. So as of now we didn't use anything, that's why it's giving here. So from here you can figure it out, this user is using which service, which is not using, you can remove the access, or you can give other, you can attach the policies, you can remove it. So that will be the helpful. Okay, so we saw the in security we have two things. One is IAM last access and the credential report. One more time we will see the credential report, whether we will get the extra. Okay, let me refresh it and we'll see. We'll download. Okay, and we will see the few more things there. Let's see, we'll have this time or not. Okay, it's not there. Might be I will show in the next video. Okay, as of now, what happened? Just now we created the IAM user. Here we will get the username. Okay, user and all the things. MFA is active or not. As of now, we didn't added the MFA, so it will be false here. So as of now, might be it takes some time to create the report here. Okay, so that is what uh, security point of view in IAM. So we'll see the some best practices. Okay. That will be the end of IAM. Okay, IAM best practices. IAM best practices. Okay, we'll see best practices one by one. First one is don't share your root account to anyone. Uh, Never share root account. Root account. Okay, and one root account, one user. That's all. One root account, one user. So that is another thing. And apart from that, use IAM. Okay, IAM user, use IAM, and on top of that, give strong password. Okay, and strong password, add MFA, add MFA, give correct, like give least privileged access. Okay, and never share access key. Okay, okay, I forgot to show you the access key. Okay, we'll go to users, click on users, security credentials, and here you can create. So, okay, you'll see the access key. Use the access key to send a programmatical calls to AWS from the AWS CLI, AWS tools for a PowerShell, AWS SDK, or direct AWS API calls. So basically, whatever the communication between from our console to another service to another program, so they are all the API calls. Okay, you can have the maximum 2 access key to activate to active or inactive. So basically it's saying it's a programmatical way you can communicate internally or outside. Okay, so from here you can create the access key, like what kind of things you want to do. Okay, CLI, plan to use access key and third-party services, application running outside the AWS. So from here you can create. Okay, and click on AWS CLI, so that via CLI only you will able to access demo for access key and create access key. So once this is the access key and this is secret password, never share with anyone. Okay, so click on done. So without downloading it, saying I'm going to delete this one, no worries. Let me download this one and click on done. So now in your IAM, okay, something is not correct. By the way, let me refresh. Okay, CLI, I understood the above recommended. Want to proceed with the create an access key, create a next demo just now. Okay, download and done. So if you go to access key, and we have two access key. Okay, we saw we can create a two maximum access key, and that's all. So never share this access key with anyone. Okay, never ever. So that is what access key. So I guess we have followed the best practices as of now. Best practices, IAM best practices, and post that I will delete this user and all. Okay, for the best thing. So this is demo. So this is the end of the video, and the next section we are going to see about what EC2 instance. Okay, now we are going to finally start the EC2 instance. Okay, and before closing, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, check out my portfolio, check out my LinkedIn, and you can check out my GitHub as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.